In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. So I have a Microsoft Word document. It's 20 pages and I'm going to create a table of contents. So first of all, I need to create headings. So these are my headings. I have about 10 headings in this document. And I'm just going to create the headings. So for the first heading, I'm going to use sections. So I'm going to just name it section 1, section 2, but you can name it chapters. You can use Roman numerals. So I'm just going to type section 1 here. I'm going to highlight this. Now I want to make it bold. And I'm going to click on heading 1. So this is heading 1 here. Also, if I highlight it here, I can go to styles and select heading 1 here also. So that's one heading. So I'm going to do the others. So I'm going to type section 2 here. I'm going to highlight this, make sure it's bold. Click on heading 1. So I'm going to do the other sections. So I created 10 sections. So this document has 10 sections. And you will notice that in each section name, like section 1, section 2, there's a little arrow here, and if I click on it, it just hides the content. So then you can just focus on the heading here. Now it depends on where you would like to place your table of contents. So if I want to place the table of contents here, I have to make sure and place the mouse cursor here or any part of the document. If I want it here, I can do that also. So what I'll do, I want to insert a blank page, which is an extra page at the beginning to place all the table of contents. So to do that, I am going to place the cursor here and click on insert, click blank page. Now here's where I want to place my table of contents. So to place the table of contents, on the ribbon section here, just click on references, and on the left side, this is the table of contents tab. Click on it, and there's some options here. There's automatic table 1, automatic table 2, and the name is contents. Then there's table of contents. This is the manual table if you want to do it manually, but I'm going to choose automatic. So I'm going to choose automatic table 2, which is listed as table of contents. So I'll click on that, and this is how it shows. 10 sections. Now I can adjust this. I can write on this. I can adjust this. For example, here I can adjust the space. Now I can change the style of this. Just click on the design tab, and I have a whole list of options. And there's a drop down tab here. When I click on it, for example, if I click on this, it will show like this. So this is how it shows. It affects the entire document. So if you don't want that, you can just leave it as normal. It's listed here that I have 21 pages because I inserted a blank page. So I'm going to insert another page here. So what I did, I added another page, and now it's 22 pages. So section 10, I moved it to page 20. So if I scroll down here, you can see section 10 and it's on page 20. So it's still saying section 10 is on page 19. So the table of contents does not update automatically. So any changes to the Word document, like adding extra pages or sections, it has to be updated here. So to do that, just click anywhere on the table of contents heading and click on the tab update table. So when I click on that, I get two options: update page numbers only or update entire table. So here I want to just update the page numbers only. So when I do that, it updates section 10 to page 20. Now if I add another section here, so on this one I'm going to say section 11. So I'm going to highlight it, click on bold, and click on heading 1. So now there are 11 sections. So when I go back to the table of contents, it still lists the table of contents as 10 sections. So I need to update the sections. So select update table, and what I'm going to select is update entire table. Click OK. And now section 11 is listed here. So on the left side of the update table tab, I click on it. There's a drop down menu, and yes, here are the same selections as the table of contents here. So I can click on the automatic table 1, automatic table 2, or the manual table. And if I don't want the table of contents, I can select remove table of contents. Now when I click on the reference tab, table of contents, there's some more options here. I can select custom table of contents, and here I can make changes also. So this is the tab leader here, and if I don't want this tab leader, I can select the drop down menu and select none, click OK. If I select yes, there's no tab leader here. So I'm going to undo that. So you can make changes here however you would like. So there are some options here that you can choose. Show page numbers, right align page numbers, show levels. You can select how many levels. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.